Our favorite thread starter packs to start your collection. When you're looking to begin your collection with a new thread line, it's often worthwhile to shop for packs to get a good assortment of starter colors and a great deal. Whether you're starting a collection for machine embroidery, hand embellishing, piecing, or quilting, we'll show you our favorite affordable thread packs that are perfect for picking up all the colors you need to get started with these techniques and more. Hand embroidery threads. When you're doing hand embroidery, you always want a few colors on hand for some contrast and variation. A little set of pearl cotton is perfect for getting started with your collection, or to pick up some colors for a new project. Eleganza No. 8 pearl cotton comes in an assortment of colorways, including 4 colorways in the Alison glass collection, with 12 balls per pack. This gorgeous thread is the perfect size for hand embroidery, and it's color fast, safe to iron, and is designed with a tight twist that resists unraveling. Machine embroidery threads. Machine embroidery is one of those techniques that requires a good assortment of colors. This pack is perfect for getting you started with a wide range of colors on smaller spools, so you can get more colors at a cheaper price point. Wound with Splendor, a 40 weight 100% rayon, this premium machine embroidery thread has a beautiful gloss that will give all your embroidery projects a professional sheen and drapeability. And it's both color fast and safe to iron. Included in each pack are 10 mini spools in a variety of theme and seasonal colors. Piecing threads. Choosing the right piecing thread can make a world of difference in your pieced quilt. We highly recommend using a finer thread, like this 80 weight DecoBob, to do your piecing with, as a super fine thread allows the seams to lay flatter. Not only will this make your piecing look better, but it will also make it easier to match up your blocks and patterns, as the thread won't be adding any additional bulk to the seams. This is especially noticeable in patterns with a lot of dense piecing. This DecoBob set is available in 3 favorite basic colors selected by quilt designer Violet Craft. This is perfect for matching the thread with any project. Better yet, each cone comes wound with 2,000 meters, or 2,178 yards of thread per cone. That's enough thread to not only piece most standard size quilts, but you'll have enough extra thread to quilt it too. English paper piecing threads. This hand piecing technique requires a lot of time and patience, so you want to choose a reliable thread that not only looks good, but is easy to stitch with. Meet InvisaFil, a 100 weight cottonized polyester, and DecoBob, the same 80 weight cottonized polyester mentioned previously. These 2 threads are very fine, with InvisaFil being even smaller than DecoBob. We love these threads for English paper piecing because they know how to hide in the fabric where it won't be seen. However, these tiny threads will also allow the fabric pieces to sit tightly against one another, so that they're flush and professional looking. InvisaFil will hide just a little better, as the thread is so fine. However, DecoBob comes in a very close second. We recommend DecoBob over InvisaFil for those who tend to tug a lot on their thread, struggle with using a smaller thread, or have arthritis in their hands. InvisaFil comes in little packs of 6 colors in 12 different colors, with 2 of them selected by Laundry Basket Quilts. And DecoBob comes in these small variety packs brought to you by Daley in her favorite colors. These are perfect for matching to your projects, whether you'll be using basics or a pop of color. Appliqué threads. There's a lot of different thread options to do appliqué with, so let's go over a few of them. InvisaFil, the 100 weight thread as mentioned before, is one of your first contenders. This little thread does an amazing job hiding in the fabric, making it an excellent choice for turned appliqué or appliqué where you don't want the thread to be seen. It can be used on both the machine and by hand, and always provides professional results. If you prefer the finish of cotton, then consider Efina, a 60 weight extra long staple Egyptian cotton with an ultra low lint finish. This premium cotton thread is smaller than your average thread, making it ideal for appliqué by hand or machine. These packs by Petra Prins includes a beautiful variety of 10 mini spools in 2 colorways, Promenade or Painted Garden. If you plan on doing wool applique, then consider using a wool thread. This 12-weight 50/50 woolen acrylic thread line is called Ellana. It blends in beautifully with the wool fibers, making it nearly invisible. And better yet, both Ellana and Efina are designed to perfectly match the wool fabric collection by Sue Spargo, ensuring you'll have the perfect thread to pair with the fabric. This little pack of Ellana thread in jewel tones is brought to you by Laundry Basket Quilts, and is a lovely set for getting started. Quilting Threads. Because of the huge variety of quilting thread options out there, we'll only talk about 2 of our favorites. Our first pick is Konfetti. This exceptional 50-weight long staple Egyptian cotton thread has undergone a treatment called double gassing, resulting in an incredibly low lint finish. If you love to quilt with cotton, this thread offers a quality look that will greatly reduce the lint buildup in your machine. These packs include 8 half-size spools in 5 colorways that are perfect for building your quilting thread collection. But what if you want something with a little more shine? Meet FabuLux, this 40-weight Trilobal polyester thread with a gorgeous luster. Available in 5 solid neon and 35 variegated colors, FabuLux is perfect for adding a bold pop of color, or matching the colors across a variety of thread blocks. This is a strong and versatile thread that comes in 8 color collections and 5 colors per pack. These are just a few of our favorite thread packs. To view our full collection, head over to www.wonderfil.ca and find out where you can purchase them. Got thread questions? Leave us a note in the comment section and tell us, or let us know what kind of video you'd like to see next. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you again next time.